Hey guys, this is a 52-inch Crest 4500 ceiling fan from January of 1992. This is a very big childhood fan to me, and if you saw my unboxing video, I also mentioned that it was a very big childhood fan to my dad. Now, let me show you the box real quick, just in case you haven't seen that video. Here's the box. There's the side of the box and the top. Anyhow, this version is not the version that is childhood to me. Actually, it's probably childhood to a lot of people. I'll give you one hint as to how. Maybe not a big enough clue. Maybe this. I don't know. If you figure it out, figure it out. Anyway, here's light. Works. I am not a fan of the hugger brackets on this. Actually, I forgot. Let me get up closer. So there we have a Crest logo. Some quality approved sticker there. I'm not sure what's on that side. There's a tag on there somewhere. It doesn't have any real useful information on it. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the hugger style brackets, like I said. But I don't hate it, I guess. If this fan finds a permanent spot to be installed, I'm gonna do some different things to it, put on a different light kit for the blades, all that jazz. Anyway, so yeah. It does have the down rod. Not sure if I mentioned this. This fan is manufactured by CEC. And it has a pretty large motor, probably around 188, which is weird. Turn the light on. But yeah, these are childhood to my dad because they used to sell them at Heckinger, and I think his family bought a couple. Medium. Not a bad performer. Sure feels nice. It's like 94 degrees outside. And the only AC in this garage is a window unit that can barely cool the whole thing. Alright, high speed. If this gets a permanent installation, well, you know, installation in a permanent spot, it's definitely going to have the down rod. The performance on this, it isn't terrible. Try with the light on, by the way. Yeah. All right. Now, slow it down some. Alright, here's variable speed, starting on the lowest. Going eighth turn. All right. One second. All right. All right. And then the rate is about high. Or it is high. Yeah. Alright. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.